We are at the end of round 19. We will finish it and continue to round 20. This is our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Last 7 chains, and we fill in the loop for our last 3 double crochet cluster. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Now we go to round 20. So we will have 2 chains and 1/2 double crochet join on top of the first cluster. 3 chains, 2 double crochet into loop for cluster, first cluster. Here we have 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Then we go direct to this loop, the cluster loop. We do 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop. Okay. Then we continue with 5 chains, and we go to this first loop for 1 double crochet. Try to put it at the left side, and 3 chains and another 1 double crochet. We do the fish shape here. Okay, and then 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will go to next loop. Try to place it here, left side, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. Okay, 5 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we'll come to this 2 loop. This loop, we'll place it in the middle, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 more double crochet. This is the third, and we will have 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will place it here in front for the double crochet, 3 chains and 1 more double crochet in the same loop, the fish shape. Okay, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and we will come to this loop for 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 more double crochet. Okay, and we will have 5 chains again, 1 2 3 4 5 chains. We fill in this loop the cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, another 3 double crochet cluster, and then here we have 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we will go to the cluster loop. Okay, here we will fill in 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Continue here. We will have 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and we will come to this loop here, a little bit left side, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet. Okay, here just try to make it square. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. We go to next loop, the middle loop. Okay, we place it in the middle, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet. Okay, try to put it in the middle, 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and we have this one. Try to put it a little bit front, double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochets. Okay, you can put it here, 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and then fill in the loop. Oops, so messy. I just do it again. What a mess look. Here, 3 double crochet cluster, 2 3 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster, 1 2 3. Here we will have 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, just the same, and then we fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 2 3 4 chains, and 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, this will continue with 5 chains, and you continue to fill in the loop with V shape. Okay, just repeat this pattern to here and continue with this 6 chain space. Okay, it's only six chains and this pattern, then come again this pattern here and 6 chains again, go along to the end. Then I think you can continue to the end with 5 chains, and here is the same. Okay, V shape 5 chains, V shape 5 chain space, V shape 5 chain space. Just try to place it in the sense that it's make it looks nice. Okay, then I will see you at the end for next round. We are at the end of row 20. We will just finish row 20 and we will proceed to row 21. After 2, 4, 5 chains, so this is our last 5 chains, we go to this loop to do our last 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, here we will do 1 treble crochet join on top of the first cluster. Okay, this is our loop, and we will start row 21 with 3 chains, 2 double crochet into loop for cluster, 1 more. This is the first cluster. Then 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains, and we go to the same loop for 3 double crochet cluster. 2, 3. Okay. Here we will go to this 6 chains loop for 1 single crochet. Okay, from here we go direct to the loop for 1 single crochet. Here we will do 3 double crochet cluster into this loop. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, and another 3 double crochet into the same loop. 1, 2, and 3. This pattern or motif will go through to all the top of pineapple. Okay, all the top of pineapple. And we continue with 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. We go to this loop, the V-shaped loop, for 5 double crochet. 1, 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, and we repeat with 7 chains, 3 4 5 6 7 chains, and here the V-shaped loop, 5 double crochet, 2 3 4 and 5 double crochets. Continue with 7 chains, 3 4 5 6 7. Then I will let you continue. All the V-shaped loop you will fill in 5 double crochet and 7 chains, okay? And when you arrive at top of pineapple, this is the pineapple, then you do the same pattern like this one. Okay, here, and then 1 single crochet, 2 sets of 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chain space, and then single crochet. Go direct to fill in this loop with 2 sets of 3 double crochet cluster, and then 7 chains, 5 double crochet. Just continue around, and I will see you here at the beginning. We are at the end of row 21. We will just finish it and go to row 22. For this loop, we didn't do 7 chains, but we only have 3 chains and 1 treble crochet. We join with the top of the cluster, the first cluster. Okay, here, this is it, and then we continue with 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 double crochet into the loop. Okay, 1 double crochet into loop to form the first V shape. And on top of pineapple, we will have 5 chains, 3 4 5, and we go to the cluster loop to fill in 3 double crochet cluster, 2 3 double crochet, only 3 double crochet, and go to the loop, the next loop, for another 3 double crochet cluster, 2 3. Okay, and then here we will have 5 chains, 5 chains, and go to the loop. For we can place it a little bit to the left, the first double crochet, 3 chains, and another double crochet in the same loop to form a V shape. Okay, and we start with 7 chains, 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains, and go to next loop. We can place it in the middle. Okay, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and another double crochet, 7 chains, 3 4 5 6 7, and go to the next loop, place it in the middle for 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and another double crochet, the V shape, and 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to next loop, can place it in the middle for 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. Continue with 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go to next loop for another V shape, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. This is the V shape, and 7 chains again, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to another, the last loop for the V shape. Okay, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. I do it again, the last double crochet. Okay, for this one I will prefer to place it a little bit front. Okay, then we proceed with 5 chains. Don't forget that close to the top of the pineapple we have 5 chains and 3 double crochet cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, and then another 3 double crochet cluster to the loop, to next loop. Then we have 5 chains, 5 chains, okay, make sure that 5 chains, and then go to this loop, go to a little bit left side for V shape, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. This is 5 chains, and then this we start with the 6 chains. Okay, 6 chains, and go to the next loop. We can place it in the middle, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 more double crochet to form the V shape. Here we start 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to next loop for our V shape, can place it in the middle, 3 chains and 1 more double crochet, 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go to the last loop. We can place it a little bit front, right side, 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. Here we have 5 chains. Okay, I will let you continue to fill in the 3 double crochet cluster. So starting this area here, you will have this pattern, 5 chains. Okay, 5 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, 5 chains, and then you continue with 6 chains with this pattern. This pattern go along until you reach this same motif at the end. Then you have 7 chains. Okay, 6 chains, 7 chains, and on top of pineapple 5 chains, don't forget. And then you just go along here with 7 chains. Okay, 7 chains and a V shape, and this one too, 7 chains, a V shape, and here is 6 chains. Okay, you can differentiate it. This is big 7 chains. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 2 3. Okay, 3 is 6 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 7 chains, and this one is 7 chains, this one is 7 chains. This 1 2 1 2 3 6 chains. Okay, I will see you at the end of this round here.